So here's a quick demo on baselines. It can be a little confusing, so I want to explain it to you. So we're going to create a new baseline, new CenterX baseline. And we'll use CIS, because that's a really good one. Be nice if they would update the version, but that's okay. And so just to kind of give you an idea of kind of what you're looking at, right? So these are some of the base suggestions and requirements from CIS, and you've got all these different types of things that are set up in here, which is pretty good. And you can enable certain aspects if you want to, and that's totally up to you. It's good to review it and kind of really take a good look at it. And you see, you can also search for stuff, so you can kind of see, okay, I want to make sure that this feature's enabled. And when you're satisfied, you click next. Now this part is really neat. You can actually search for optional policies to add. So like say you want to add some kind of cool little things here. So say you want to, enable that. So we have, say you want to, let's configure this little curve rows feature. So you can do that kind of stuff, and then at that point you just have to click Save and Assign, and then you're going to select a smart group to add it to. So you just do that, you'd click Publish, then you just have to reboot and they're ready to go. It's just that simple. Thanks and have a good day.